Okay, 2.8, selecting appropriate displays. In Chapter 2, we've done a lot with graphs, different types of graphs. We have bar graphs, line plots, stem and leaf plots. And essentially what we're doing today is deciding what type of data fits each of those graphs the best, or methods of display. All right, and so right now we're just going to give you a little overview, refresher of types of displays that you could use to represent your data. First one's a bar graph, and the bar graph shows the number of items in a specific category. Okay, so if you see a bar graph, okay, we always have a title, but then we're thinking individual. Okay, individual things. Okay, each one's its own category. So this could be football teams. Okay, and we always have labels, and then those are broken into intervals. Okay, so maybe 5, 10, and 15. Okay. Those are bar graphs. Line graphs show changes over time. Okay. The line graph, you could have points. Okay, and this might be 01, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, and this is how maybe sales had changed. Okay. Sometimes you'll see trends. Okay, that might go up or down. Right, but those are line graphs. Line graphs are good for showing changes over time. If you have a line plot shows how many times each number occurs in the data. Right, and so that's when we have the number line. And I might have 2 10s and a 15 and a 0 and 4 5s as part of my data. Okay, so I have a line plot. And line plots are good for how many times it shows up. Right, and then stem and leaf plots are good if you need to show everything that happened. And that's where we have the stem, and it says how many times each occurred. Okay, and those have keys. For example, 3, 2 is 32. Okay, so you have a stem and leaf plot. Okay, so kind of an overview of what those graphs are. We'll look at some specific examples in class to get through them quick, but if we got that for a start, we should be off on the right road.